Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how to change your age in Microsoft account. So on your desktop, go to search and then search for settings, and then go to settings app and click your account here in the settings, and then go to your info. Once you're redirected to this page, you will see here date of birth, and then just click that and then enter your account password so that they could confirm if you are the user changing the info in the account, and then click sign in, and then you have to verify your identity. In this case, I'll be choosing to receive a code through text, and then I verified my number, and then I will receive a code through SMS, and then I will just type here the code that I received through SMS. And then once it's done, I'm going to click verify. And then here, I can already change the date of birth, and then just click save the changes. And that's it. That's how you change your age in Microsoft account. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe.